Why is DevOps Leader so popular? Well, a few reasons. Let me give you my view about why it really does work and why it's so important. DevOps traditionally has been a bottom-up initiative. Some of the other stuff has been top-down and senior management's imposed it, but DevOps traditionally has come from the floor. People want to work in that kind of fashion. You therefore need some kind of exercise and some kind of learning in how you glue those bottom-up initiatives together. The coordination won't be there unless people put the effort into doing that. DevOps Leader addresses that need for integration that comes from a bottom-up kind of strategy. So DevOps Leader helps you do that. And back to the question, why is it so popular? Well, obviously, because it works. People who've been on the DevOps Leader course are able to help give that integration that DevOps initiatives need.